Hey everybody, Jay Wade back here with another No Pause reaction, joined once again by my niece Kara. How are you today?
Hi, I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I'm great. Your mind was blown with Stevie Ray Vaughan, and now I'm about to blow it again with some Lynyrd Skynyrd. This is Freebird live from Oakland Coliseum Stadium. This is hands down, in my opinion, the absolute greatest version of this song ever. Um, Nothing tops this, dude. It's just really, really cool. So we're gonna get right into this, guys. Thank y'all so much for the support that you've been giving, not just myself and my channel, but Kara as well, as she's starting to hear some of this older music that maybe she's not heard before. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and afterward, if you like what you see in here, please hit that like button. Everybody, Lynyrd Skynyrd, are you ready, Kara?
I'm so ready.
Okay, here we go.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. I swear I am. Play it pretty for Oakland. Billy Powell, piano. though this feeling I can't change. But please don't take this so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. But if I stay here with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. How about you, and the bird will never change. Oh, and the bird cannot change. And this world you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change.
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it.
Introducing Standby
Just,
Cash.
it's okay.
Extra cash
I hate
immediately.
YouTube so much.
Huntington, welcome.
All right, Kara.
Oh my gosh. Honestly, the main thing I have to say about that is I would cut off one of my limbs to just be at that concert right then. Like,
Yeah.
just his voice with like the lyrics in the beginning, I can't imagine any other person singing it. Like, it's the perfect combination, and just the lyrics are really meaningful, and then it just takes such a turn, and it's just that was perfect.
Yeah. This is I watched this version a lot. So you would be interested in listening to some more Skinner then, I assume.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Anything you can throw at me, I'm interested in.
That's awesome. Oh, there's a lot of good stuff out there that you've not heard, I'm sure. I mean, there's a lot of good stuff I've not. I was thinking about that at work today. The Beatles came on the radio I was listening to, and I was like, hey, I'm like singing. I'm like, dude, I love the Beatles. And then it occurred to me, I'm like, dude, I've heard a lot of Beatles songs, but I've still not even heard all of them. It's in that blows my mind. But yeah. So, and I'll be honest, there's a lot of Skynyrd songs I haven't heard either. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, that was awesome. That was awesome. So 2 thumbs up from you.
3 thumbs up if I had 3 hands.
All right. That's what I like to hear. Thank you everybody for your support, and throw us those suggestions in the comments down below. I love watching her react. And if just let you know, I have a screen in front of me where my camera is, but my main screen is to the side. So that's why I'm mostly looking over here. I know this song. I've heard it many times. I've seen this video many times. I'm looking at Kara's reaction. So that's what I'm watching most of the time. But thank y'all very much for the support. If you like this, hit like, please. That helps the algorithm. Ring that bell so you don't miss anything. And hit subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank y'all so much for the support. Have a great night, everyone.